I met my love by the gas yard wall. Dreamed a dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Clouds are drifting across the moon. Cats are prowling on their feet. Springs a girl to the streets at night. Dirty old town, dirty old town. I heard a siren from the dawn. Saw a train set the night on fire. I smelled the spring through the smoky wind. Dirty old town, dirty old town. I'm going to make a big sharp eye, shining steel, tempered in the fire. I'll chop you down like an old dead tree. Dirty old town, dirty old town. I know, let's hear you. I met. Dream a dream. I kissed my girl. One more time. I met my love by the gas yard wall. Dreamed a dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town, dirty old town, dirty old town. All right, Campbell.
Well, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for such a marvellous reception. It's been fantastic for us. Thank you very, very much indeed. We're really going to finish this time with a song which we also had in the top 20 when we collaborated with a group called The Pogues. I can tell you that was some collaboration, I can tell you, but we haven't got all night. Anyways, call the Irish Rover.